Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell Pro desktop, and I'm going to power on the PC. Then I will go ahead and click F9 so that we go to the boot menu. So when you go to the boot menu, this is what we get. We don't get the USB boot options. So if I move a little bit closer, sorry about that. So you're going to click Escape so that you go to the BIOS system. F10, you click on F10. So you go to Advanced when you reach here. So when you go to Advanced, you will see boot options and secure boot. You have to go ahead and click. You enable this option for USB. And when you go down, you're going to enable legacy support. Here it is disabled. And you're going to click back. Then you go to secure boot and legacy support. You're going to go to legacy and enable and disable secure boot, and this is what you only do. Then after this, you're going to click F10 to save changes and say yes, and the computer is going to reboot. And when the computer reboots, you're going to go ahead and click F9 so that we go to the boot menu again. Let me power on the PC. So you're going to click F9 so that we go to the boot menu. When you go to the boot menu, we have our USB seen and it will work. So you have to make sure you have the Windows files on it. In my case, I'm booting Windows 11. So the computer will start, and then let me come a little bit back. The computer will start and your Windows files will be good to go. Now it's going to load the Windows files as we wait. And this is the only thing you do, and this would work on other HP desktops. And this is an i5 7th generation. And if you have any issues, you can comment. I will be able to help you out within a few minutes from now. I'm going to stop from here, and this was just a quick video on how to do enable USB boot options, and also how to enable secure boot, disable secure boot, and enable legacy support. So thanks for watching. You can watch my previous video on how to install Windows 11 on your computer step by step. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Goodbye.